Welcome to BTC Share. Below the video tutorials, you will also find a PDF installation guide that you can download. If you want to install SafePal on your smartphone, visit the integrated app store and install the SafePal wallet. Follow the exact instructions in the SafePal app to successfully complete the wallet setup. You can find out how to add the required rootstock network in the PDF from step 22 or at the end of this video. If you want to set up SafePal on your PC or laptop, follow the instructions in this video. Open your browser. Our recommendation, Google Chrome. If you use Firefox or Edge, click on the corresponding browser icon. Type SafePal into the Google search bar and click on SafePal Wallet. Click on the official SafePal website. Click the download button. Click on Browser and then on the type of browser you use. You will be redirected to the SafePal browser extension. Click Add To. Click on Add Extension to confirm the download. Click on the puzzle icon in your browser bar to open the extensions menu. Click on the pin next to SafePal to permanently display the SafePal extension in your browser bar. SafePal is now pinned to your browser bar. Click on it to launch SafePal. Click Get Started to begin setting up your wallet. Click Create Wallet. Create a secure password, follow the instructions, confirm it again, and click Next. Important: write down your password. Under mnemonic phrase, click Generate. Write down the displayed 12 words in the correct order and keep them in a safe place. Then click Next. Important: these words are the key to your wallet values. Should you ever need to reinstallate your wallet, you will need these 12 words. Click on the noted words in the correct order to check your backup. Attention! To see all the words, you'll have to scroll down a bit. A total of 12 words must be displayed. Only when you have clicked on them in the correct order can you click on Verify. Congratulations! Your wallet is now ready to use. Name your wallet BTC Share and click Confirm. Set your wallet as your default wallet by activating the slider and then clicking Next. Click on Got It to connect your wallet to dApps. Click All to activate the rootstock network in your wallet in the next step. Type ROO into the search bar to select rootstock. Click the plus icon and then click Confirm. RBTC will now appear in your list of available coins. Click on RBTC to display your deposit address. Click Receive. By clicking on Copy Address, you can save the address to your clipboard. You must send RBTC to this address in order to purchase your first slot at BTC Share. If you don't know where or how to buy RBTC, watch the next video, Buying RBTC, or contact your sponsor. He or she will also be able to help you. For the first slot, please expect to pay around $15, including transfer fees. The first important step has been taken. See you soon for the next video.